Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Pixxverse AI video generator. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first we will need just to go to our Pixxverse website. To do so, you will need just to go to your web browser and just type pixxverse.ai. And basically it will take you to this homepage, and here we are just going to get started in web and just click on it. And basically we will need just to create on our accounts, or you can just log in with Discord. So basically I'm just going to log in with Google, and I'm just going to choose my account and click on continue, and I will have my account. So basically now we can start creating our videos. So here you can find the create button, and those are some collection or others people creations or prompts. So if you click, you can see how some details like the seeds, aspect ratio, etc, etc. And basically now we want just like to create anything. So basically you can choose your style. For example, I'm going to choose anime style in the prompt, and those are some negative prompts, so it can have some balance on the generation. So basically I'm just going, for example, add something like uh, running in forest, and I'm just going to click on create, and we will start waiting for the video to generate. So basically after that we will be able like to have our videos on our collection. So basically this is our final result, and of course it's only one prompt, and I didn't like added any other negative prompt, so I can have some balance on this video. So basically it won't be like the top prompts that you can add. So basically you can just start like going to the Discord, so in the find in the community some tips and tricks on how like to enhance your prompts and get the results. But anyway, this is how you can create or use the Pixxverse AI. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.